Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm really excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys a what's in my bag video. I'm going to tell you guys all about the bag that I have and what I like to keep in it, you know, fragrance, hygiene, things like that, my favorite things to keep in my purse. So yeah, that is what today's video is. Before that, I just want to say a huge thank you to Teddy Blake for sending me one of their purses. If you guys didn't know, Teddy Blake is a company who makes really nice luxury handbags for like half the price. Now these are made in Italy and they're super amazing quality. Now I just got my bag a few days ago and I'm totally in love with the purse. So let me just show you guys. Let's do the big reveal. I'll have the link to the website in the description bar, and also just a big shout out to Teddy Blake because I've never had a handbag this nice. So this is the purse that I have, and oh, it's the wrong way. This way. As you guys can see, it literally looks like such a nice luxurious bag, and I am just so impressed with the quality. When I got the package, I was like, wow, this packaging is beautiful. The bag feels so well made, you guys. It is like nice and like heavy duty. It's very big, as you guys can see. This is definitely like a purse that I would carry when like I'm traveling. I'm gonna be taking this with me to New York when I go so I can like fit my laptop in here. This is the black one. I got mine in black. I believe mine is the Kate Croc in black, and this is 15 inches, so it's gonna fit my MacBook because it's 13 inches, and I'm just so in love with this purse, you guys. Like, if you guys want a nice luxurious handbag, definitely check this place out because they are amazing and I'm just in love. Like, I've never had a purse this great of quality, and I'm so excited to share with you guys like what I like to keep in it. So as for like what I like to keep in my purse, I keep a ton of stuff in my purse. I don't know why, I just am always filling my bag up to the brim, and something like this is amazing because it's just like nice and spacious, so it doesn't feel like I'm just like stuffing it. Now this bag I can carry like this, which I normally would like in the crook of my arm, and it also comes with a long strap, which I think is really amazing as well. So why don't we just go ahead and get started with what is inside of my purse. So in the little mini zipper right here, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a little zipper compartment. I like to keep a ton of things. So first thing I have is a pad. You always want to keep one of these if you are, you know, having that time of month. And I also like to keep a tampon in there as well, just in case, you know, you never know what is going on for the day. You want to have both, so that's what I keep in there. So I also like to keep some lip products. So here I just have a NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lipstick, and I also keep some chapstick in here. So this is the e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm in Tough Cookie. This stuff smells so amazing. It smells like sugar cookies, so I like to keep this in there. And then I also have some eye drops. I'm the type of person who gets really dry eyes easily, so sometimes my eyes will be irritated, and I like to keep an eye drop in my purse. Another thing I like to keep in here are some AirPods. You never know when you just, you know, need some time to yourself and you want to listen to some music or watch some videos. So I like to keep my AirPods. These are just the AirPod Pros. And I also have some beauty items as well. I have an eyelash glue. This is like the liner pen kind. I love this kind. It just makes it super easy when your eyelash is like falling off on the inner corner. I'm someone who wears fake lashes all the time, so something like this is really great. And some nail glue because I wear press-ons now and sometimes I'll just kind of like lift and stuff, and I like to just keep some nail glue in here. I like to keep a few different fragrances in my purse because you guys know I just am always in a different mood. So one of them that I have is the Tocca Florence. This is just a little mini bottle I got from TJ Maxx. It came with a pack of 3 for like 12 bucks. So I picked this one up and I love the scent of this, so I just keep this, and it's super small and compact, so it won't be super heavy in your bag as well. The next thing that I have in my bag is a camera. Of course, I'm filming on my camera right now, but I would normally put my camera in my camera case and keep it in my bag because I love to vlog and just film random moments in my life and take pictures just to create memories. You never know, like, when there might be a really good photo op. So I always keep my camera in here. The next thing I have is a hand cream. So this is the Vanilla Buttercream hand cream from Bath & Body Works. This scent is so strong. It will literally fill up your entire room when you apply this. I love Bath & Body Works hand creams. I think that they are just like super, super moisturizing, and I love the compact like sizing of this. It's just super discreet and small. Another thing is that I got this as a free gift, so that makes me even more happy. I love the scent of like vanilla and cupcakes, so this is the last thing I have, or the next thing. Another Bath & Body Works thing that I have in here is a antibacterial hand spray, and this is cucumber and lily scented. I love these spray hand sanitizers way better than like the jelly kind. For some reason, this one just makes me feel a little cleaner than using like the gel hand sanitizers. The scent of this is so good. When you can find these on sale, I highly, highly recommend you guys trying them. You guys, I'm obsessed with this, and I also got this as a free gift, and I'm very happy about that. So yeah, this is the next one. I also like to keep a scrunchie in here, some sort of hair tie, because when you go out to eat, it can be really annoying to just like have your hair down and like all over your face and get in your food. So I always like to keep an extra hair tie. You never know also like who might need one in your friend group, so you can always be the person who has it in your bag. The next thing I have is my wallet. I don't carry an actual wallet. I really need to go out and get a real wallet. I have one of these little card holder things. So this is just from Louis Vuitton, and I have like my car keys and my room keys, and I keep my ID and my credit card in here. I usually don't carry too much cash around, which is why I haven't gone around to buying a real wallet, but you know, I'm sure I will get one soon. I feel like I need to be a real adult and carry a wallet. So this is what I always have in my purse because that's how I get around and how I'm going to get back into my home. So yeah. The next two things I have are fragrances. So I have a mini Victoria's Secret Bombshell Intense travel size body mist. This is great to like spray your clothes. I hate the feeling of like smelling like food after I eat somewhere. For some reason, it just really grosses me out. Like I went to Yard House the other day and we had like a bunch of like greasy fried food, and afterwards I just felt like I smelled like that food. So I just sprayed myself down with this, and it makes you smell so amazing. This is one of my, not one of my favorite scents from Victoria's Secret. I like the regular Bombshell, but you know, this is just what I'm keeping now. I'm still trying to get through this, but this is what I have. Another fragrance that I have in here is another Victoria's Secret perfume. This is a rollerball. I love rollerballs because it makes it so easy to get like behind your ears and like behind your neck. It's just super, super nice for that. But of course you can't really spritz this on your clothes, which I don't like. So, you know, they have their ups and downs. This one is Victoria's Secret Bombshell Gold. I got this during the SAS and it was like $3. So I figured this would be super, super nice to keep in my purse. It's super small and just like easy to take around without, you know, spilling everywhere and whatnot. So this is what I have in my purse as well. Now the next thing I like to keep in my purse is a pair of tweezers. I have had so many times where either I'll get a splinter and I can't get it out because I'm wearing 2-inch nails on my fingers, or someone will just need, you know, something to snag and they need tweezers. So I find that keeping a pair of tweezers just makes it so, so efficient. Also, if you have an eyelash popping off, this is great. You don't know how many times this little tweezer guy has saved my life, and people in my life have really needed tweezers when I'm out. So yeah. The next two things I have are a couple of Band-Aids. I am the type of person who wears really uncomfortable shoes at times, and every time I forget to put Band-Aids in my purse, I hate my life and I want to cry because I'm like, why did I not just take the extra 2 minutes to put this in my purse? Also, if you ever get a paper cut or if someone ever gets like a cut or something, this is really, really great. I also used to keep these in my backpack because when I would write notes, sometimes I would hold my pen a little too hard and it would make my finger callousy, so I liked using these. But yeah, this is also another really good thing to keep in there that you might think you don't need it, but when it comes down to it, you will. So yeah. And another thing that I have in my purse is some cash. I always like to just keep like $5, $10, $20 in my purse just in case like you're going somewhere where you have to pay for parking and you can't pay with card, or wherever you're eating they don't accept card. That's happened a lot to me and I'm like, why do I not have cash in my bag? So I always like to keep just a little bit of money in there. You never know when you might need it. So that's in there. And I have one more lip gloss. This is just a Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Amber. A cute color. Sometimes I'm feeling a glossy mood and whatnot, so I have this. Another thing I like to keep in my purse are a pair of sunglasses. Now, these sunglasses were really trendy and they are from Amazon, so they're just like this cat eye shape. You guys can probably see my ring light, but this is what they look like. I feel like they low-key don't look good on me, but I have them because sometimes during golden hour the sun hurts my eyes and I cannot drive like that, so I always like to just keep a pair of sunglasses in my purse. You never know when you're going to need them or when someone else is going to need them when they're driving. Okay, you guys, we're almost done with this video. I know I keep a lot of stuff in my purse, but I also like to keep a contact case because sometimes I do wear colored contacts and I like to take them out because they irritate my eyes, or if, you know, I just don't want to have them in anymore. I always like to keep an extra pair of contact cases in my purse. These ones are from Target. They're really inexpensive. You don't really need, you know, they're just contact cases. So yeah, this is what I have. And last but not least, I have another hair tie in my purse. This one is like a seamless kind, and I love these because they're just nice and stretchy and they don't leave a crease in your hair. These ones also don't snag your hair, which I like. I've gotten these at Ulta and Nordstrom Rack and super affordable, and I love them. Alright, you guys, so that is everything that I like to keep in my purse. I know I put so much stuff in my purse, but I mean, how can you not when you have this beautiful, huge purse just to like stuff things in? I feel like the bigger my purse is, the more stuff I keep in here. So really quickly, I'm just going to show you guys a close-up of what this bag looks like because it is my dream bag. I'm so in love with it, you guys. I know, I'm probably sounding really annoying, but I'm going to show you guys really close up what it looks like. So this is what the purse is going to look like when you get it. It comes with this cute little like padlock and tassel thing, and it comes with little keys in here so you can open up the lock, which I think is so adorable. As you can see, this little locket says Teddy Blake. On the bottom right here, it also says Teddy Blake, which I think is so adorable. It says Teddy Blake, New York. This is like crocodile skin. It comes with the long strap, like I said, but I will mostly be carrying it like a little arm bag. It doesn't really fit over my shoulder because I have big arms, but inside of it, there is a zipper, which it's a main zipper right here, which I think is really nice because sometimes I get worried that like people are gonna easily like be able to access my bag, so having a zipper is great. It comes with a little zipper on the inside right here, and the bag itself is just very roomy. It feels so nice. It has like felt inside of it, which I love. But yeah, overall, you guys can probably tell I really enjoy this bag, and I'm just super grateful for Teddy Blake for sending me this because I'm going to get so much use out of it, and I just love it so much. They also have a bunch of different colors and styles, like literally so many different colors. I had such a hard time choosing which one I wanted, but ultimately I knew that black was going to match everything and I was going to get the most wear out of the black one. But yeah, that is the end of today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I like to keep in my purse and what I like have in my purse. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!